Today we are diving deep into lists, records and tables, explaining them in simple terms and showing exactly how to create and work with them step by step. Let's get started. Let's start by opening Power Query Editor. If you are in Excel, click Data, Get Data, Launch Power Query Editor. Now, to create a list, I'll type directly into the formula bar. Watch this. As you can see, I used curly brackets to define a list of numbers. Lists are simple collections of values without any headers. The result here is a single column list where each value is an individual item in that column. You can even use ranges. For example, if I want numbers from 1 to 5, I can type this. Or use text values. Next, we'll create a record. A record is like a row in a table, but with named fields. Here I am using square brackets. Each field in the record has a name, like name, age, city, and a corresponding value. As you can see in the preview, the record has named fields, each one representing a key-value pair. Now let's work with tables. In Power Query, a table is what we usually deal with. It's a structured dataset made of rows and columns. Let's type the following. #table, open the parentheses and type. This syntax creates a table with 2 rows and 3 columns, name, age and city. The curly brackets inside the table function define each row, while the column names are defined outside using curly brackets. Notice how this table looks like a regular Excel table, with rows and columns, and you can filter, sort or manipulate it just like any table. Let's look at how you can extract data from these structures. Let's say you want to extract the second value from the list. This gives us the second item in the list, which is 20. Remember, lists use zero-based indexing, so 1 in curly brackets accesses the second item. Now to get a value from a record. This pulls the value of age from the record and we get 30. To access a value from a table, let's say we want the first row's name from our customers table. Type this in the formula bar. This gives us the name value from the first row, which one is John. 0 in curly brackets pulls the first row as a record, and name accesses the name field. But that's just the beginning. These structures aren't fixed. They can be nested in different ways, creating more complex data models. This matters a lot because some functions only work with specific data structures. That's why transforming between lists, records and tables is such a powerful skill in Power Query. In the next video, we'll explore advanced nesting tricks that will blow your mind. Stay tuned, see ya!